Welcome students. In this video we will solve question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 3.1, and this exercise is all about quadrilaterals, and there are some properties regarding the angle sums of the quadrilaterals and other polygons like pentagon, hexagon, etc. So keep continue. Be sincere, this exercise is very important. So we will take question number 3. Now what is the question? It is the sum of measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral. We have to find the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral. And will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. The convex quadrilateral is just like this. Quadrilateral means there are 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As I explained you, convex quadrilateral means the measurement of each angle is less than 180 degree. So the property will be, there is a proper formula to find the sum of measures of the angles. It is called angle sum. Okay, so angle sum of a quadrilateral equals n minus 2 into 360 degree. Okay, it is 180 degree. So n means number of sides. This n means number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides. So put the value of n, solve it. It is 2 into 180 degree, and that is 360 degree. So we can say the sum of measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral is 360 degree. Remember always, अगर हमारे पास क्वाड्रिलेटरल है तो वो रेगुलर है या इरेगुलर है, कॉन्वेक्स है या कॉनकेव है, उसके इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम 360 डिग्री होगा. Which are the interior angles? These are the interior angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. तो इन चारों का टोटल एंगल A प्लस एंगल B प्लस एंगल C प्लस एंगल D, टोटल कितना होगा? 360 डिग्री होगा. रिमेंबर ऑलवेज. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, विल दिस प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड इफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज नॉट कॉन्वेक्स? इसका मतलब अगर ये कॉन्वेक्स नहीं है तो इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे? तो ये कॉन्वेक्स नहीं होगा तो कॉनकेव होगा. तो हम यहाँ पे कहेंगे will this property hold? Yes. The answer is yes if the quadrilateral is not convex, then angle sum equals 360 degree. And make a non-convex quadrilateral and try. It means you can check it in your rough notebook. आपको अपनी रफ नोटबुक में क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनाना है by using ruler and pencil. Ruler means your scale. तो convex quadrilateral तो ये है. This one is convex. And what is concave? Listen. We have to draw a 4-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. A, B, C, D. So again the sum of all interior angles is 360 degree. तो इस तरह से आप एंगल्स को मेजर कर सकते हैं और उसका एंगल्स हम फाइंड करेंगे. डेफिनेटली ये 360 डिग्री आएगा. सो इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, बट नो नीड टू ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज a table is given. In first row there are some polygons. It is a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon and hexagon, and below these diagrams the angle sums are given, and we have to find the angle sum of a convex polygon with the given number of sides. But you have to study the table carefully before you solve the questions. Listen, you can see your textbook. Okay, I am just reading the information given in the table, and you have to लुक द टेबल इन द बुक. फर्स्ट फिगर जो है वो ट्राइंगल का है, इसके नीचे 3 लिखा है. 3 मीन्स नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर 3 एंड बिलो इज 180 डिग्री. इट मीन्स दिस इज एंगल सम. नेक्स्ट इज क्वाड्रिलेटरल. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर 4, तो फिगर के नीचे 4 लिखा है एंड बिलो इट इज रिटन 2 इंटू 180. 2 मीन्स 4 माइनस 2. 2 को हमने 4 माइनस 2 किया है. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर 4, so we have to write 4 minus 2. Next figure is a pentagon. So below the diagram it is 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 means number of sides. Next is the hexagon. It is given that 6 minus 2 into 180. Below this diagram 6 means number of sides are 6. So you can see we are subtracting 2 in each case. Okay, just see the table. It is 4 minus 2, 5 minus 2 and 6 minus 2. So in a similar way we can find the angle sum of a given polygon. Now part A, angle sum of a convex polygon with number of sides 7. Means we have a polygon which has 7 sides. Angle sum. Okay, this is the way to write angle sum. So as given in the table, you have to write 7 minus 2 into 180. 7 means number of sides are 7. 2 means we have to subtract 2. Whatever the number of the sides are, कितने भी sides हो, हमें 2 को subtract करना है always और 180 से minus करना है. इस क्वेश्चन को फिनिश करने के बाद में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि हम 2 को माइनस क्यों करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इट इज 5 into 180 and that is 900 degree. So the angle sum is 900 degree. B, angle sum is again 8 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 6 into 180 degree, and final it is 18 6 108. So multiply 6 by 180, it is 1080 degree. Okay students, and here I solve the part D. Here I am not solving part C because it will be given in the assignment. So D, the number of sides is n. It means it is n sided polygon. The angle sum will be simply n minus 2 into 180 degree. So it is 180 degree. N minus 2 into 180 degree. It means this is the general formula to find the angle sum of a given polygon. अगर किसी भी पॉलीगॉन में n साइड्स हैं, नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर n, तो हम एंगल सम के लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे n minus 2 into 180. ओके, why we are using 2 every time? minus 2 and minus 2. So note it down. Reason behind using minus 2 is C. Suppose there is a quadrilateral. Now try to draw the diagonals. This is a diagonal. We have divided this figure into a number of triangles. How many triangles are there? 2 triangles are there. Okay, आप कोई भी diagonal draw कर सकते हैं. Given figure को triangles में divide करना है. 1 2, there are 2 triangles, first and second. So there are total 4 sides. Originally 1 2 3 4 and 2 triangles are made here. So we will subtract 2 because जितनी sides हैं उनसे 2 कम triangle हमने बनाए हैं. Listen again, number of sides 4 हैं but triangle 2 ही बने हैं. So we have to write 4 minus 2 and multiply by 180. Okay students, for a pentagon 1 2 3 4 5, listen, 1 and 2, it is divided into triangles. How many triangles are there? 1 2 3. Number of sides 5 but triangles are 3. तो 5 से कितने कम ट्राइंगल बने? 2 कम, है ना, 2 लेस. ये 5 है, इसमें से हम 2 माइनस करेंगे तो नंबर ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स हमारे पास आ जाएंगे 1 2 3. That's why we subtract 2 from the given number of sides and multiply by 180. This is the reason we subtract 2. Okay, Next question is question number 5. Now regular polygon is, you have to write the definition. So I am writing the answer. A regular polygon has all sides of equal length and all angles of equal measurement. Means कोई भी पॉलीगॉन है, सपोज दिस इज ए पॉलीगॉन, 4-sided polygon, okay, the length of each side is equal. Suppose it is 5 centimeter, so it will be also 5 centimeter. All the sides are equal in measurement and all the angles are also equal in measurement, whatever the value. Suppose it is x, x degree, x degree, x, x and x. तो किसी भी पॉलीगॉन में जो उसकी साइड्स हैं, ठीक है, मीन्स द पार्ट ऑफ द बाउंड्रीज हैं, उन सभी की लेंथ इक्वल होगी और जितने भी इंटीरियर एंगल्स हैं उन सभी का मेजरमेंट इक्वल होगा. तो इस तरह के पॉलीगॉन को हम रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन कहते हैं. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन एंड नाउ द आंसर. सो नेम ऑफ द रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन ऑफ 3 sides. 3 sides means it is a triangle but its sides are equal because it is a regular polygon. Then it will be equilateral triangle. B, 4 sides. 4 sides means it is a quadrilateral but all sides are equal and all angles are also equal, then it will be a square. C, 6 sides. 6-sided polygon is called a hexagon. So if it is a regular polygon, it is called regular hexagon. Question number 6. Okay, last 2 questions are very important, so you have to focus at the board. Be sincere. Now find the angle measure x in the following figures. There are 4 different figures given in the diagram. Okay, only 4 figures are there and we have to find the measure of x. So x is the unknown quantity. Now I am going to solve part A. So you have to draw all the shapes by using ruler and pencil, neat and clean. Okay, डायग्राम आपको रूलर और पेंसिल से बनाने हैं, बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ these diagrams in your fair notebook. So it is 130 degree, 120 degree x and it is 50 degree, 50, 130, 120 and x. Now to find the value of x we must know the angle sum of this quadrilateral. As you know, किसी भी quadrilateral के लिए उसके एंगल्स का जो टोटल था वो 360 डिग्री होता है. इट मीन्स we'll just write 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x equals 360 degree. Remember, in the case of a triangle the angle sum is 180 degree. In the case of quadrilateral it is 360 degree. तो इन चारों का टोटल 360 डिग्री होगा. अब हम इसका टोटल करेंगे. सो it is 180 and 180 plus 120, 300. Okay, plus x equal to 360 degree. Now it is x equals 360 degree minus 300 degree, that is 60 degree. So this is the answer. The value of x is 60 degree. Note it down. There are total 4 parts. So I solve any 2 of these. Okay, so I am going to solve part C. It is important. The diagram is very nice. Okay, this is a straight line 30 degree, x, this is x, 70 degree, 60 degree. Okay students, so you can see that there are two equal angles. This is a pentagon, 1 2 3 4 5 sides are there. These two angles are equal and the measurement of this is 30, but we don't know the measurement of these two angles. So as it is a linear pair, in 7th class you have studied, so if this is a linear pair and this angle will be 110 degree because sum of these will be 180 degree. तो अगर एक एंगल आपको पता है तो दूसरा एंगल आप 180 में से माइनस करके फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो 180 माइनस 60 इक्वल्स 120. Similarly 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. Now we have found these two also and apply the formula of angle sum. So angle sum is in the case of pentagon. Now take the angle sum. This is 30. This is x plus x, 2x plus 110 plus 120 plus 110 plus 120. Now what is the angle sum? So angle sum means it will be n minus 2. So this is 5 minus 2 into 180. थर्ड क्वेश्चन में हमने फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में एंगल सम का फॉर्मूला फाइंड किया था n minus 2 into 180. So here n is 5 minus 2 into 180. Now find the sum. This is 230 and plus 30 260. It is 5 minus 2 3 into 180. Okay. Now 260 2x equals, so if you multiply this we get 540 degree and minus 260 degree. 2x equals, so what is the value of this? 180 degree. Okay, it is 180 degree. It is 380. Okay, 380 degree. X equals 380 by 2. Okay students, okay. Now 2x equals, so we have to subtract 540 minus 260. Now try to find the difference. It's very easy. So it is, if it is 240, it is 300, it is 280 degree. Okay. Now x will be 280 upon 2, that is 140 degree. So the value of x is 140 degree. Note it down. Next is question number 7. It is the last question and question is very interesting. So what is the question? The question is find x plus y plus z. Okay, I am going to solve part A and I have to draw the diagram also. So it is z 30 degree, 90 degree, x, this is y. We have to find the value of x plus y plus z. Okay students, so x plus y plus z will be what? अब अगर हमें इन तीनों के वैल्यूज पता है तो हम टोटल कर देंगे. सॉल्यूशन, दिस इज अ लीनियर पेयर, it is 90, it means x is also 90, so we have to write x equals 90 degree. This is also linear pair, so z will be 180 minus 30 degree, that is 150 degree, and it is y. So y को कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? This is an exterior angle, it is equal to the sum of opposite interior. किसी भी ट्राइंगल में आपने 7th क्लास में स्टडी किया है, exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So y will be 90 plus 30, that is 120. Now x plus y plus z is 90 plus 150 plus 120 degree. Okay, 90 plus 150 is 240 degree plus 120 degree, and finally we have 360 degree. So x plus y plus z is 360 degree. Okay students, this exercise is finished. I hope you enjoyed. Be sincere, try to do the questions in your assignment. Have a nice day.